Have you ever felt there's more to life than the daily routine? You're right. Life whispers to us through adventures, beckoning us to explore, to learn, to truly live. Join me as we unveil 5 life-changing discoveries by intrepid adventurers, each a testament to the boundless beauty and wonder of our planet. We'll journey from cloud-piercing mountains to vibrant coral reefs, experiencing the awe-inspiring power of nature and the indomitable spirit of exploration. Let the adventure begin. High in the Peruvian Andes, shrouded in mist and mystery, lies a testament to a lost civilization. Machu Picchu, the lost city of the Incas, remained hidden from the world for centuries. Imagine the year 1911, the explorer Hiram Bingham hacking through dense jungle, guided by local whispers of ancient ruins. The air, thick with humidity and anticipation, finally gives way to a breathtaking sightstone terraces carved into the mountainside, intricate temples bathed in sunlight. The discovery of Machu Picchu revealed the architectural genius and cultural richness of the Inca Empire. Today, as we stand among these ruins, we're not just tourists observing the past. We're time travelers walking in the footsteps of the Inca, feeling the echoes of their lives in the stone. Off the coast of Australia lies a world of vibrant colour and bustling life, a realm hidden beneath the waves. The Great Barrier Reef, the largest living structure on Earth, is a testament to nature's boundless creativity. Imagine yourself diving beneath the surface, the sunlight filtering through the water, painting the coral in dazzling hues. Schools of fish, a living rainbow, dart in and out of the coral, while graceful manta rays glide through the blue expanse. This underwater metropolis is home to a staggering diversity of life. But this underwater Eden faces a growing threat: climate change. The fight to save the Great Barrier Reef is a race against time, a call to action to protect this fragile wonder for future generations. In the icy embrace of the Arctic Circle, a spectacle of unearthly beauty unfolds. The northern lights, or aurora borealis, paint the night sky with vibrant hues of green, purple and pink, a celestial ballet that has captivated humankind for millennia. Imagine standing beneath a sky ablaze with colour, the air crackling with energy. Legend has it that the lights are the spirits of the departed dancing across the heavens. But science tells a different, equally awe-inspiring story. The aurora borealis is the result of charged particles from the sun colliding with gases in Earth's atmosphere. To witness the northern lights is to experience a profound connection to the universe, a reminder that we are part of something far greater than ourselves. Deep in the heart of South America lies a vast and vibrant world, a symphony of life that has echoed for millennia. The Amazon rainforest, the Earth's largest rainforest, is a testament to the power and diversity of life on our planet. Imagine stepping beneath the dense canopy, the air thick with humidity and the sounds of life. Towering trees, ancient giants that have witnessed centuries unfold, reach for the sky, their branches draped in vines thick as a man's arm. The Amazon is a treasure trove of biodiversity. 1 in 10 known species on Earth calls this rainforest home. Jaguars stalk through the undergrowth, while vibrantly coloured macaws flit through the canopy. But this vital ecosystem is under threat. Deforestation driven by human need and greed is tearing at the fabric of the Amazon. Towering above the clouds, a monolith of ice and rock, stands Mount Everest, the highest point on Earth. It's a beacon to adventurers, a siren song that calls to the spirit of exploration within us all. Imagine battling hurricane-force winds, thin air that makes each breath a struggle, and treacherous crevasses hidden beneath the snow. This is the challenge that faces those brave enough to attempt to summit Everest. The first successful ascent of Everest, by Sir Edmund Hillary and Tenzing Norgay in 1953, was a testament to human endurance and the indomitable spirit of adventure. Their feat captured the world's imagination, proving that even the most daunting challenges can be overcome. But Everest is not to be taken lightly. For those who dare to climb its slopes, Everest offers a life-changing experience, a journey of self-discovery as much as a physical challenge. These 5 discoveries, each a testament to the power of human curiosity and the boundless beauty of our planet, are just a glimpse into the wonders that await those who seek adventure. The world is full of mysteries waiting to be unraveled, stories waiting to be told, and experiences that have the power to change us forever. So embrace the spirit of adventure, step outside your comfort zone, explore the world with open eyes and an open heart. You never know what life-changing discoveries await you just around the corner.